Good morning, children. Today we will start the new chapter, and that is the electricity. First, what is okay? Electrical energy is that form of energy which is associated with static or moving charge. Electric current, that is the electricity, flows when charges move. Okay, so the charges in the motion is responsible for flow of electricity. Now, first, what is okay? Its SI unit is coulomb. Okay, electric charge are of two types: negative electric charge and positive electric charge. Like charges means positive charge or negative charge. Okay, they repulse each other, whereas unlike charges means one is positive charge and another is a negative charge. They attract each other. Okay, on an electron, as you know, electron has three types of particle, that is the electron, proton, and neutron. Uh, um, on an electron, there is a negative charge of 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb, and is represented by small e. Okay, uh, on a proton, uh, there is a positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Since protons do not leave their atoms, all the electric flow refers to the flow of electrons. If the number of electrons in a conductor are n and the charges on an electron is e, e means uh, charges of an electron, number of electron. Okay, then the charge developed on the conductor will be q is equal to Ne. Okay, N means number of electron present in a conductor and E means electron. Okay, electric conductor and insulator are those substances in which electric charges flows easily are known as conductor of electricity. For example, silver, copper, aluminum, etc. And those substances in which electric current does not flow are called the insulator of electricity or electric resistor. For example, rubber, glass, ebonic, sulfur, etc. Okay. Explanation on of conductor and insulator on the basis of free electron model. What is the free electrons? Uh, we know that all the metallic substance have free electrons which keep moving within the substance randomly in all possible direction. These free electrons are distributed uniformly all over the body and move randomly, and hence there is no transfer of charges. Okay. When the potential difference is applied on the ends of the substance having free electrons, then due to the electric field, free electron start moving in opposite direction of electric field. Okay, in those substances which have the less number of free electrons or zero, flow of charges is not possible in them, um, and in which uh, the substance which have a large number of free electrons, flow of charges is they start flowing and the current start flowing. Okay, but in the substance there is no free electrons, but in the special condition they can be produced. They are called the semiconductor. For example, germanium, silicon, etc. are the semiconductor. Okay. Uh, is a electric current. Electric current means the flow of uh, the flow of the current is known as electric current. There is another differentiation, and that is the rate of the flow of charges in a conductor is called the electric current. Okay, and the I is equal to Q upon T, where I is equal to electric current, Q is equal to charge, and T is equal to time. The unit of the electric current is ampere. Therefore, if in a current 1 coulomb charges flow in 1 second, then the electric current flow in a circuit is 1 ampere. And the positive. Okay, so the direction of current is from positive terminal to negative terminal. Sketch of electric simple circuit. In a simple circuit, there is a battery or the electric sources, a plug key, that is a switch, and a bulb. Bulb means resistance or the electrical appliance to measure the circuit, and ammeter is also connected in the circuit.